Hello guys, welcome back to Aditya Financial Insight. In this video, we are talking about the GoldenWhale token coin. You can see here the guide in a single day 714% maximum growth, and you can see this is a very ultra pro growth in a single day. So it can be risky and it can be more beneficial. I will talking about the 24-hour activity, what is going on in incoming hour, incoming day. You can see 24-hour activity, 78% buyer and 22% seller. It's almost 148k, 45k age, 8-day old, full liquidity 93.3k. That means in incoming hour, incoming day, more and more go because buyer are more raised than selling. So if you can buy, sell, you can contact your financial advisor. Thank you guys. This will be my trading partner BYET. My invitation code 143791. If you want to join with my invitation code, you will got $100 as a free of cost offer for the BYET crypto exchange, and you can trade on the BYET. So thank you guys. You can like, subscribe and share with your friend and family. Thank you.